So tomorrow is the unemployment report, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why it's such an important date and how it can have either a positive or negative catalyst to the overall market. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions here with another video, and we absolutely killed it today. If you guys are part of the Learn Plan Profit group, during our live trading session today, I was up already over $600 to $700 profit alone on the day and was able to close, as you guys can see, a little bit over $1,500, making it my biggest green day this week. And just like we talked about in yesterday's video, I do agree. I still agree even today with today's performance. The market is very overbought. But there's a lot of positive news, just like we shared yesterday, that the market is a machine right now, and it is extremely, extremely bullish. I'm not even too sure if you guys have picked up on the pattern, but for the past 5 days, 5 trading days, the NASDAQ has been bullish day after day. So the point of yesterday's video was to prepare for you and to not be surprised if we do see a pullback. But as of right now, we still don't have confirmation, which was my #1 rule and set list of criteria that I had for yesterday's video. But one of the things that I do want to talk about is, since the pandemic and since we've seen unemployment claims skyrocket, we still have not seen less than 1 million people file for unemployment. And one of the things that you guys should know is, in comparison, before this overall pandemic, we've never seen before over 1 million claims, not even during the Great Depression. And I do agree with you, it is much more accessible now to file for unemployment, and everyone and their brother, right, is filing for it. So like many of you guys might have heard, last week was the end of the $600 weekly paycheck that a lot of people were receiving for unemployment benefits. And because we have the unemployment report tomorrow, and that is going to be at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I want to make sure that we talk about the expectation. We have been making, although we saw an all-time high for unemployment job claims, we are making a steady recovery in the right direction. So this is great, but like many of you guys know, there's a set list of expectation that the market has already priced in to its current price point. So if we see a number that is reported that is not as good as we anticipated, we can see the market drop. And vice versa. If the number ends up being better than what we had as an expectation, then of course that can act as a bullish catalyst. So that is the whole point of this video. I do agree with a lot of you that the market is very overbought. But there is so much positive news, and based off of this current report, it is at a critical point where it could make it or break it based off of what they actually end up reporting for this unemployment report. So I just wanted to make sure that I do my part in reminding you and encouraging you that if you have an open position in the market, tomorrow should be a big day for you, as it is very important for you to pay attention to see if the number that is shared within the report either acts as a positive or negative catalyst for what you personally see value in. And just like we've said so many times before, the market as of right now just has been a consistent machine. Just like we said, today closed the 5 consecutive green day that the NASDAQ has experienced. And although that is very great, all great things must come to an end at one point or another. I'm not saying that is tomorrow. I'm not even saying that has to be next week. Just make sure that you do your part, and I'm just here to encourage you and empower you to lock in profits or to follow with some form of trailing stop loss or stop loss to make sure that you manage your risk. One of the sayings that we have within our Learn Plan Profit group that has helped me so much is, we make money in the stock market by selling early. And I do agree. The market is very bullish as of right now. And although it continues to thrive, there is no question that if you see an intraday opportunity, that it is your job as a day trader to take advantage of it. But my focus is more right now for a lot of swing traders or investors. Just make sure that you understand when the market is overbought, and don't be surprised if we actually end up experiencing a pullback. And that's all I'm here to do, and just empower you and encourage you to stay prepared. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys again for joining me for another Whiteboard Wednesday. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. And if you guys want to join us for tomorrow's live trading session, it should be pretty interesting. And that's going to be that second link down below. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.